we are too technical.
Yes.
Asante sana. Asante sana. Kwanza kabisa ni kukaribisha wakazi wa Meru County. Songa hivi. You have done this before. Ni kukaribisha wakazi wa Meru County katika afisi za UDA headquarters. Feel at home, karibuni sana sana sana. Na kabla tuanze mkutano, tungependa tu kuwafundisha jinsi vile sisi usalamiana hapa kwenye chama. Tukisema UDA, mnasema kazi ni kazi. Tukisema kazi ni kazi, mnasema UDA, kazi ni kazi. Kazi ni kazi, UDA. Karibuni sana. So I will do the official press statement, and then I will invite the chair to welcome Governor Kawira Mwangaza into the UDA Party. Members of the press and the general public, yesterday, in the most tragic and unfortunate incident, the Meru County Assembly Deputy Speaker, Honorable Mwenda Ali, and a section of his family were involved in a grisly accident along the Meru-Embu highway, his car ramming into an ongoing truck. Honorable Mwenda was on his way to Nairobi to see his wife, who was scheduled to fly to India for specialized treatment. Sadly, the Deputy Speaker, who also doubles up at the MCA Fonjia ward, lost his two daughters to the accident, while he sustained serious injuries that saw him hospitalized. At this difficult time, the UDA Party wishes to extend its prayers and sympathies to the Deputy Speaker, his family, friends, and indeed the entire Meru County fraternity. We send our sincere condolences for the loss of the young souls, while we wish the Deputy Speaker and his ailing wife a speedy recovery. In honor of the departed angels, may I request that we be upstanding and observe a minute of silence. Thank you. Thank you. Beside the somber mood, we find ourselves following the tragic news from Meru County. Ladies and gentlemen, we gather here to host a delegation from that county led by none other than the Governor, Her Excellency Kawira Mwangaza, who is here to show her solidarity and affirm her friendship with the UDA Party. UDA considers Meru County as one of its bedrock and a major hinge-pin for its political activities. In the last general elections, our party leader, His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto, garnered 369,362 votes, translating to an impressive 80.87% of the total presidential votes cast in the county. This is remarkable. UDA, Governor Kawira has demonstrated her skill in the county politics, demonstrated particularly in how she overcame many odds and political waves to clinch the seat in 2022 as an independent candidate, beating some of the most seasoned politicians, not only in the county, but in Kenya. Whereas Governor Kawira, as an independently elected governor, is bound by the provisions of Section 14 of the Political Parties Act 2011 and revised in 2022, from officially joining any political formation, her support base that moves to UDA today affords us deeper foothold and entrenchment in the county, even as we continue our march to 2027. UDA is employing the gather all, scatter none philosophy, and is more than pleased to bring the governor's support base on board at a time when we are commencing the party's grassroots elections exercise countrywide. We urge all members and supporters of the UDA party in Meru specifically to embrace this team and work together towards our common goal of building our party. And we must say that we have the blessings of our party leader and our deputy party leader in welcoming Governor Kawira to the UDA party. Governor Kawira has shown interest in vying on the UDA tickets come 2027. And Governor, we want to assure you, UDA party is a party that believes in women leadership. This is the first ruling party in the history of Africa to have a woman chairperson leading a ruling party. Governor Kawira, I know UDA party has now become even stronger in Meru County. I would like to beseech Governor Kawira and your team, as you retreat to go to Meru County, let us now have reconciliation in the politics of Meru County. UDA is not a party of conflicts. UDA is not a party of fights. Rather, is a party that believes in inclusivity. Is a party that believes in tolerance, and especially political tolerance. We want to urge the UDA members who founded the party in its initial stages. And we have a lot of confidence with our elected members of parliament. We have a lot of confidence with our members of county assembly. We want to ask them to embrace the entry of the governor, and they should work together as a team. That is the aspiration of our party leader. Our party leader wants a united Meru. Our party leader wants a solid Meru County government. We are stretching an olive branch to the members of the county assembly in Meru County. As a party, we shall retreat and find a reconciliatory mode in which you will operate with the governor, because now it is time to move on. So I will allow, first of all, before I allow the chair, we want to officially welcome Governor Kawira as a friend to UDA party ahead of the 2027 elections.